So Kennametal are a tooling supplier, and they're going to have over 300 tools on display. So there's going to be something there for everybody. But before we get into what they're showcasing and what they're doing, you need to visit their stand because you need to enter. They have a competition running, you need to enter, because prizes include 2 tickets for the Rock in Park 2025 and more.
Where's the Rock in Park?
In Nuremberg.
Oh, so they pay for flights over as well?
Well, you'll have to ask them about that.
Terms and conditions may apply.
Oh, thanks,
Exactly.
Chloe, the voice of reason.
Right, let's get back to what Kennametal are. So, Kennametal are, like I said, displaying over 300 tools, but they're also focusing on 2 areas particularly. One of them is EV and automotive capabilities, because obviously electric cars are becoming a big thing now.
Well, they have to, don't they?
A lot of things are becoming more electronic. There's a lot more stuff now looking for different ways of energy sources. So EV and...
So renewables, things like that?
Exactly.
Okay.
So they're going to have their expert. They will have multiple experts, but we are actually going to talk to Tim Hordex. And he's going to talk us through solutions and also talk us about gigacastings. Now, we spoke about this before. I'm not 100% sure what gigacasting is, but I'm more leaning on what Rowan said on, obviously, castings of cars are getting bigger and bigger.
Yeah, with an EV, you've got a big battery, and normally that battery, if you want to save space, can actually become part of the actual vehicle's structural integrity.
Part of the chassis.
So you'll
Frame,
make a full casting of a car, and that battery will be an integral part of the actual car.
So
itself.
the gigacasting is a big cast.
Yeah.
So
They are going to talk us through their 4 cutting-edge solution versus competitors with 1 edge.
Sorry, is this for cutting castings?
Yes.
Yeah. Oh, wow.
And they also have, and I'm really leaning on Rowan here because I did not know what this was until I asked him earlier. They will also have 2 3D printed stator bore tools on display.
Yeah, so stator is the central part of or the outside part of an electric motor that doesn't move, whereas the rotor is a bit that does move. And I guess the stator needs an accurate bore for the rotor to go inside, so they're 3D printed tools that will bore out a stator.
So it needs to
You
be
don't sound 100% sure.
No, I'm
there.
speculating completely.
There you go.
So,
but that's the reason why. Watch our
visit the
videos.
stand.
Absolutely. Visit
Right,
the stand.
and then there is a new product launch. So they are launching their Go Mill Pro,
Which is what?
which is a new 4-flute solid carbide end mill, and it's going to be a go-to solution for small and medium shops.
Why?
Like a jobbing end mill,
Yeah.
general purpose.
Like a general
titanium,
person.
steel.
Now, obviously, Kennametal are, they are known for a certain set of tools. One being the Harvey 1 TE, which I have used, and it is unreal. You'll have seen videos of these things absolutely ripping through material, where you think it's going to break any second, and it doesn't. So they're now releasing the Go Mill Pro, which I'm guessing, like I said, for small, medium shops is going to be a cheaper alternative.
A more cost-effective
solution. And it's going to be used for side and shoulder milling to helical milling, pocketing, slotting and ramping. And it is suited for cutting steel, stainless steels, cast irons. And some of the features are asymmetric divided flutes for better vibration control. And there's another one. A variable helix angle for better vibration.
Okay.
And a tapered core for better chip evacuation. And then Rowan...
I think we need to actually see this in action to
I think we
understand.
need to see this in
That's a lot of
action.
applications for a tool, isn't
It's
it?
going to be... Yeah. So it's got a multi-layer tin... Go on, Rowan.
tin and TIALN.
There you go.
Just 2 different
You knew
types
what that
of
was
coating.
downstairs. Anyway, we don't really know. So, coating for high performance at medium high cutting on stainless steels and cast irons.
So a new coating or a different type of coating?
We don't know.
Again,
You'll have to go and see.
Find out, absolutely. And this isn't just nice colours, that's because we're discussing another tool.
Not talking about colours now.
Okay.
And it's ideal for general engineering, which is what you said, transportation, energy and medical shops, and it is a dual end mill where price, performance, and versatility meet.
Dual end mill.
It's a dual end mill.
Yeah.
Okay.
Not a do one end mill.
No, it's a dual end mill.
Dual.
So
Okay,
it's going to be obviously some machines.
So that means it could do the roughing, finishing, the pockets, everything that you stated. You can use that one.
And I'm guessing the advantages of that are if you've got a smaller machine with a smaller carousel,
Tools, yeah.
you can't be adding roughers, finishers, all
no,
that.
don't.
You can use the same end mill for
You
everything.
don't want to be having 5 end mills that can do the same job if they're 40 quid a piece.
Exactly.
Sorry.
So,
That's all right. It's a podcast. We're here to discuss these things.
But
you
no,
might be
you-
right, Clay. You might be wrong.
but no, you're
It's a
right.
discussion.
If you don't have the space
wrong.
for all these end mills,
Yeah,
you can have one end mill that does everything. It's going to save you time, money, and space in your machine. So, yeah, Kennametal are definitely a stand you want to go and look at. And before you ask, I do not know where they are, so we will add it, as Chloe
There's
said.
nothing like good preparation. You guys have done nothing like good preparation. No, we'll put the stand numbers on the
But
screen.
I'm quite looking forward to seeing 300 tools. That's going to have to be a big
You're going to be there
stand.
longer than 10th or
Well,
14th,
we've got a
mate.
film slot booked for
I
them.
was gonna
Go and see them. Go and
10th
be
to the
there.
14th. Can I just have that entire time to go through all the end mills?
Absolutely not. Right, enough of you and your end mills and new technology.